So Crumbs and Doilies take 2. Well, that was a good one. It's quite hard work being a baker.
Well, it's
Tired. Welcome to our new Ground Coffee Society kitchen. My name's Dave. I'm the owner and founder here at Ground Coffee Society in London. And today we're super excited because we've got the amazing Sally from the best cupcake shop in all of the world, Crumbs and Doilies. So thanks for coming, Sally.
Thanks so much for having me. I'm very excited to be here.
Cool. So what are we doing?
Well, I thought as you guys make coffee,
Yes.
the best coffee, may I add, we better make something that has coffee in it. So we're going to make a Mocha Cupcake.
Amazing.
Yes, it's going to be a chocolate and coffee sponge, and then we're going to decorate it with a coffee icing
Amazing.
using your espresso.
So we're going to need some espresso.
We are going to need some espresso.
Right, so we're going to be using our Caveman espresso blend.
Fab.
And I'm guessing you need something fairly strong, something that's going to cut through the recipe.
Yeah,
And you
absolutely.
can still taste the coffee. Right, so we're dosing 19.5 grams.
Ever so precise.
Yes, ever so precise. So just like making a cake.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
It's a recipe for making coffee. So we dose 19.5 grams of ground coffee. We extract 35 grams in weight, and we can explain that in another video of liquid. And it takes roughly 28 to 30 seconds. Right. One double espresso in a beautiful little blue.
Isn't it? So what we've done is we've left that to one side, cooled it down, and then we've topped it up with some water. So we've in total got 125 mils.
Okay,
so I'm going to pour in some ingredients into this bowl, and you are going to mix. Yes, I'm teaching you to bake. It's very exciting. So we're going to put in our coffee here, and then we're going to add to that some oil. So I've got 100 mils of oil, and then we've got buttermilk here, so 125 mils of that.
Amazing. Okay.
So if you get whisking those together, and I'm going to crack 2 eggs, and they're also going to go in, and you're going to keep whisking
those a whisk
until they're done. We've got 185 grams of caster sugar.
Okay.
So that's going to go in, and 140 grams of plain flour.
Okay. So this makes them rise.
Yes, we've got bicarbonate of soda, so just a half teaspoon of that.
Cool.
And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Cool.
Because salt brings out all your flavours in cooking.
Lovely.
And now it's time to add some chocolate, of course.
Okay.
So we're going to put some cocoa powder in first, and this is actually black cocoa.
Amazing.
So we're going to go in with 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
Is a
Keep whisking. Oh wow,
30
look
grams.
at that.
Yeah, it looks amazing too, doesn't
gosh.
it? Like it's just really deep. It's just exciting.
Oh wow.
So we're going to add some chocolate chips as well because why not? They'll firm up and then you get a nice crunchy
gooey,
texture and a bit of goo. Yeah, it's perfect.
Right, how long do you want me to whisk this for?
That looks pretty good. So just until all the kind of flour's gone, you've got no kind of obvious lumps of flour.
That's
that
good,
looks great.
I'm done.
He's tired. Right, so we're gonna need to put this into our cupcake pan.
Right, here we go.
Here we go.
Right.
Testing your baking skills.
How is that?
Perfect.
Cool.
He's got it.
So fill them all up, yeah?
Fill them all up.
All right, here we go.
And then you can
Get some of those chopped chips in there as well.
So we're gonna put these in the oven. They're going to take around 25 minutes to bake. We're going to bake them at 160 degrees C.
Okay.
And you always tell by pushing your finger on the top.
Yeah.
If they spring back to life, they're done. Okay, so our cupcakes have come out of the oven. They're
amazing.
looking
They do
mighty
look
fine.
amazing.
And now we can decorate them. So I've already made up some buttercream here, which is a simple combination of 200 grams of butter and 320 grams of icing sugar, which we've kind of mixed together until it's really kind of big and fluffy like this.
Yeah.
But obviously we need to make this coffee-y. So
yes, need more coffee.
So obviously this again needs to be cold. So we've let this cool down.
Yep.
So we're going to turn this mixer on and we're just going to very slowly pour the coffee in.
Nice.
Just let it do its thing basically. And that's essentially it. So if we stop this, now we are going to decorate it. So you need to squeeze and draw at the same time. Here he goes. Yes. Look at that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So that's it.
Do you want to do the last one?
No, you do the last one. Come on.
I got loads left.
So just to sort of top these off a little bit further, I thought we'd just put a bit of chocolate on top.
Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Coffee and cupcakes.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Let's do this.
Right, here we go. I'm gonna get the one that says it's my best one.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Here it goes.
Okay.
Go.
Yeah. Oh my God. They're so good. You can taste the coffee.
You can, yeah, and in the icing, it's amazing, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. So much coffee in there, that tastes incredible.
And that's why it's like so good to use proper coffee rather than just like instant coffee or whatever, because it doesn't really taste like coffee. This is amazing.
So good. I'm having another bite.
Okay, go for it. I feel like you could fit it all in. Yeah, you could.
Probably could. Well, for those of you guys making these at home, you can head to
crumbsanddoilies.co.uk.
and you can get the baking kits.
Yeah, so we have loads of bake along at home kits, like cupcakes and cookies and stuff.
Yeah.
They're really simple, so if you've got the baking bug, you can go there and get yourself some kits.
Amazing, and you can head to our website as well and grab coffee.
I mean, you're
espresso
gonna need
pods.
some coffee.
You're gonna need some coffee. So.
Even if you don't want to make cakes, get some coffee.
And don't forget to tag us and tag Crumbs and Doilies at Ground Coffee Society at Crumbs and Doilies.
Coffee,
Cheers.
cake.
Coffee and cake.
Go.
Cheers.